Facts you need to know. Whether it's your first baby or third, every pregnant woman looks forward to feeling flutter and kicks from her baby. Not all the movements you can feel are actually kicks from your baby. Babies spend plenty of times moving their hands and exploring uterus, changing side and even doing somersaults. Baby kicking fact. Pregnancy is full of wonder, and if you have ever wondered what all those baby movements actually mean, here are 7 facts about baby kicking that you should know. First, when you will feel your baby kick, first time mothers to be usually recognize their baby's movement at the latest of 24th week of pregnancy. Your baby has been moving long before that, but the sensation is unfamiliar and you might not recognize it for what it is. A baby movement are not very strong in their earlier stage of pregnancy. Some mother thinks they just have wind. If placenta is at the front of your uterus, it may buffer the feeling of your baby kick for sometimes. Women having their second or subsequent baby usually recognize flutters of their baby's movement much earlier, even as early as 12 weeks. 2. Why do baby kick? Baby tend to move mostly in response what happening in their environment. Too much noise, light or even certain strong food can stimulate your baby into kicking and moving. Babies also need to stretch and move for relaxation. If you are moving about, it can be soothing for your baby. They will often relax and even go to sleep. Mothers to be who participate in relaxation exercise such as medication or yoga may find their babies are quieter. Third, how many baby kicks is normal? The average number of kicks fall between 15 to 20 per day. Remembering this includes all movement, not just kicking your bladder. Every baby is different and this includes their movement. Some babies literally sleep all the day and move at night when you are asleep, whether others seems to be moving all the time. Babies rest and sleep in the womb as much as 17 hours a day, usually the period of around 40 to 50 minutes at a time. If you have been busy and on the move, you might notice your baby wakeful movement. The most pregnant women will notice a peak in active after mealtime, after being active and during the evening. Fourth, when should you count kicks? It's generally suggested pregnant women spend time tuning into their baby's movement from 28 weeks pregnant. Pick the time during the day when your baby is most likely to be active or when you are able to rest and focus. It's important to be constant, so try to choose the same time a day each time you count your baby movement. Over the time, as you record your baby's movement, you will be to see what's a normal pattern of them. As your baby grows and develops, you should not feel less movement. Rather, your baby has less room to move and sensation of her kick will feel different. Fifth, how to check baby movement. It's easy to miss feeling your baby kicking, especially if you have been busy and active. If you think your baby movement have reduced, always contact your care provider for advice. Most commonly, women are advised to get comfortable sitting or lying down on their left side. It will be time how long it takes for you to feel 10 kicks or movement. Have a pen and pad handy and focus all the time movements in your baby make. Over the time you will become aware what normal for your baby in terms of how much movement you feel by certain times. If you don't notice 10 movements or 2 hours period or there is any change from what normal your baby, contact your care provider immediately. Should you kick count every day? Keeping tabs on your baby's movement, it is important, but less you are experiencing a high risk of pregnancy, there is no need to be concerned about kick count. Most moms will realize they have been very busy and have not noticed any movement. This usually prompts them to focus on their baby, who immediately start kicking up a storm. If your care provider advises you to monitor kicks, it can be useful to do this at the same time each day after a meal or when the baby is usually very active. Will your baby move less after 36 weeks? Your baby should always be moving throughout the day. After 26 weeks of pregnancy, babies have much less room or big movement like kick or roll. This does not mean that you should feel reduction in movement. They will still use their hand to explore their face and body, play with the umbilical cord and try stretch in their cramped surroundings.